Hello friends, my name is Marianne. Welcome to my little country kitchen. And we are going to be doing garden planting. I had a blank printout from last year, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in here. Yay! Okay, I did a printout on seed time, but my printer was kind of wacko, so I'm just going to write them in. Okay, I figured it was just easier to show you on the computer what's going on, so I'll show you here. Okay, so this is my garden. Here are my chickens right here. So I have 5 beds, and these are my possibly future greenhouse pot beds, but we'll get into that later. So here's the kale. Tells me there's 7 kale, cabbage, 12 red acre cabbage, tomatoes, only 16 in here. I squish them together, so I really do deep planting there. 1 rosemary. Oh, I wanted to do rosemary because for companion planting, they say rosemary and tomatoes go together. Oh, and down this row, in between the tomatoes, are onions as well. I believe I have, let's see, zoom in. Kitty? So you can adjust this. Okay, onions, 30 onions. Okay, so now I know how many to plant. And then here's my banana peppers, jalapeno peppers, and then the 3 sisters with the corn, the beans, the pole beans, and the squash. And then right here is going to be red bell peppers, some basil, and some flowers. I'm gonna do more stuff over here. I just haven't decided what yet. Maybe probably a watermelon. And then over here is Armenian cucumbers, 6 of those, another flower, and 6 pickling cucumbers. Then we zoom in. Here's all my strawberries, my mint, my rosemary, my basil, chives, and over here on my cattle panel, I'm going to do sweet peas and red Malabar spinach right here. And I do have a tiny little cold frame right here that I'm going to put rutabagas, carrots, and turnips in. And let's see, carrots. It's supposed to tell me how many carrots. 30 carrots, yeah. I've never tried a rutabaga or a turnip, so I want to taste it. Oh, and I want to try golden beets too. So I'm going to put that in there. And also, it is time to cold stratify. So let me tell you what I'm going to be planting. Maybe do my winter sowing in these milk jugs that I cut in half. But it's still connected right here. I didn't cut it all the way. And I did poke holes in the bottom. This one I'm gonna do winter time because I have it. And I heard from, what's his name? Luke from In My Gardener, that seeds will emerge once they're ready. So that's what I'm gonna do. That was just a little one that I had. Poppy, get out of the way. You're in my video. Oh, I'm gonna throw in some flower seeds that I have too to this one. Oh, Poppy, come here. And sit on my lap. There you go. And I'm gonna put some vermiculite over the top of it and then water them. Okay, there's that one. This one I'm gonna do an onion called Candy. I love these ones. They are an F1 hybrid, but it's okay. And I need to do at least 30 onions because I want to do I got these from Harris Seeds, by the way. I want to do basically a salsa garden. So I want to grow everything that I need for the salsa garden. business. Okay, that one's done. And in this one, these next three, I'm going to do kale, 3 kinds of kale, onions, and chives. More onions, I'm doing yellow Spanish onion.
The reason it matters if it's a long day or a short day is what region you're in, so I cannot grow short days or they'll be too small.
And some Walla Walla onion that I got from Botanical Interest. And I'm just gonna stick these outside in my, I could just stick them in the snow, because it did snow pretty good today. But we do have crazy winds down here, so I'm going to I'm going to put them in I have a tiny little like 2x2 cold frame, so that way they won't blow away. Okay, I need to water these down. I'm gonna do 3 kinds of kale, 1,000 head. I want to grow those big ones. I think they're just beautiful, and I've obviously never tried them. And I want to feed my chickens with them, since I don't really like kale all that much, at least in no preparation that we've tried anyway. Red Russian kale. You can just get it, I believe, Walmart. Grabbing a pinch. I only need like 6 of these plants. So, and then a dinosaur, Lacinato dinosaur kale from my gardener. Now, some herbs. Gonna do garlic chives, common chives, and some flat leaf parsley. These 2 are from Botanical Interest. This one's, again, probably just from Walmart. Garlic chives, having fun? All right. Guess if we were more meticulous, we would cut these open better and then read the inside. Apparently there's more stuff inside. Details on... Do you guys look at your inside of your seed packets, or you just research it online? What do you guys do? I just do it online. I like going to johnnyseeds.com, and I have a lot of information on there. And I am working on putting together some stickers for my sticker boxes, not only to show the picture so I know what it looks like, but to show it has our date that I can write in either if I direct sow or if I can do it indoors, and then when to transplant. So I'll have all that information on one little sticker. So I think we're all done for now. Thank you for joining me. Look at my cute shirt. It is the season for plants. Okay.
I decided to plant some, not along with my winter sown stuff. I'll show you that too in a minute. I decided to plant some
What is this? What is? Think, think, think. Think, think, think. It's a bush. It's a perennial. Rhubarb. So this is rhubarb. So I put 5 seeds in here because I don't even remember how long I've had them. And 3 popped up. So that's great. I'm going to put them in their own little individual things now. So let's separate them. They're cute little cotyledon seeds. They came up about, 4 or 5 days ago. So it took actually quite a long time, about 2 weeks for these to, but I was pleasantly surprised. 60% seed rate for pretty old seeds. That's like 5 years old at least. So I was pretty happy with the results, and I did tell them happy birthday the first day I saw them. So thanks just for that. I love saying that. It makes me so excited, kind of like they're my little baby plants. And funny thing is, when the tomatoes get bigger, like a foot long, a foot tall, I call them my teenager tomatoes because I think it's funny. So I just made this soil with some peat moss and some vermiculite and diatomaceous earth, and then I poured probably 4 quarts of boiling water just to sanitize it because it was outside for a bit and it was left over from my seeds from last year, so it's kind of a mixture of everything. And then of course I let it cool off, so it's like the next day. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna spoon them out. Okay. All right. So, and my gardener taught us this. You can just spoon out some seedlings like that. Stick it in here now. There we go. Yay, he's so cute. I guess I don't need to move this guy. I can just scoot him over to the middle. Ooh, don't want to squish him. Add some more soil. Okay. And this was wet, but I'm just going to go ahead and add, this is a mister, so I can make it really misty or a direct spray, either way. I like doing the spray when I want it directed and not spray everywhere, but this is fine. So just water them in. Okay, awesome. Okay, it's February 11th. These are all my winter sown seedlings, and looks like they're doing pretty good. Let's take a peek. Oh look, the kale has sprouted. Happy birthday, little guys. That's cute. Look at that baby. Okay. Oh, some thousand island kale and the dinosaur, but not the red Russian yet. Okay. Let's see. I don't think anything else has sprouted yet. Oh, the onions. The onions are starting to sprout. Yay. That's the winter time. I'm gonna write on that too. And this one's the mosh corn salad. I did that a few days later than the video I showed you previously, but okay. I highly recommend getting a garden marker because it's a alcohol-based ink and it's for outdoor use, so it won't fade in the sun like a regular Sharpie. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on my little country kitchen, and we will see you next week on my next adventure in the kitchen, or garden planning, or canning, or whatever else is in my heart's desire. Okay, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. Bye, guys.